team. We win with some, we lose some. So I need to address you direct manje. Nale show yenu le. Yabona criticize nje kuphela only negative things kuphela. And you don't follow ngama facts. Ngihlale ngisho awunama facts. Khona manje uthi uHugo Bros kumele acoshwe. Acoshelwe ini? Umuntu o build a team right kanje, young players. Now we've got a pool of players. I database into beyifile besinganayo before this guy. Ungaqosha coach wena 5 months before you World Cup. Lo munye kumela yenzini lo munye. No so hayi mfana ayikho lento iyabheda uthi yami awukhulumi kahle bhuti wami. Hayi and we coach. I don't know if abantu bayazi ukuthi we coach njani ekhuluma so. Lo muntu lona phethu sigcine kudala ukuluza. I don't care ukuthi ubani uthini. I mean isithunzi sethu, our dignity faith as South Africans gents sibuyile stadium bekungasayiwi bafana bengabukelwa before Hugo Bros empty. Everyone knows that, but look at manje ibafana bayadlala everywhere, full house. Noma kasi full house, but abantu they go a stadium, they support. The support is back. A stadium kumnandi manje makudlala bafana. No, so you need to respect manje. You don't respect our head coach when at all. No. You don't respect Proam. We coach when, why are you not coaching much? Even NFD or Whoop, whatever, ABC, Sigboni winning league. Unama bet you now, you busy bashing people la pugule show you. I will never allow that for South Africa. I'm defending South Africa. I'm defending our head coach. And now we need to and bring these young players the way says yes, it's a short lapo vele. I'm not saying we are perfect, but this guy has brought says the team, says the direction as a country. And the manje uthi wena usamgcineleni basamgcineleni ngoba uthe uyahamba. So there's a difference between living and retiring, bruh. I'm disappointed. And I've been disappointed long time ago, but manje I think usase ku December wena akwakahlaphuke. Azange Hugo Bros athi I'm leaving. He's retiring. There's kunomehluko phakathi ko I'm leaving and retiring. He's almost 80 madala. He's retiring. He's not leaving. So uzovela ngama issue. Angiyazi le agenda. I don't know. There's something. Angazi why ni push agenda yaka le agenda yenu le yaka yokuthi Hugo Bros must go in. It's stupid. That's a very stupid comment from someone like you, so. Angeke mina ngithule ngiyimele lento le. Angeke. This is wrong. This is disrespect at the highest level. I know ukuthi abantu banama opinion indala nami kukhulunywa ngami kubhalwa ngami. Yes, I don't care. You understand that? Manje sibadala so yithi former players ekumele si encourage wherever we can. We can't be bashing all the time or being negative all the time. Niduma ngokuba negative eshowini yenu. There's nothing coming up positive from mlomo yenu. No junior. Khanya. Hayi bafana bakithi yanimini kancane manje. Yanimini kancane bafana bakithi. Animeni kancane. No. You need to stop it. Hey, coach has qualified for AFCON back to back. Sagcina ni qualify for World Cup because sagcina qualify World Cup ngesikhathi sethu when I was part of the team and we went in Korea Japan 2002 Korea Japan World Cup. That was the last time South Africa to qualify for World Cup. And Kulum 2010 because we were the host. We don't play. You know how we host. Everyone knows that. Now you come and disrespect umsebenzi waka Hugo Bros, and then you think Tinabanye will keep quiet and sikshayile izandla. Angeke isebenze lento. Put some respect in Hugo Bros's name. So Vilakazi and Junior Khan and the players also. The current players, put the respect on these current players. You know, isikhathi sethu sidlulile siphelile bra. Acceptani. You guys ngathi ninenhliziyo zimbi towards amajita. coaches and players isikhathi senu siphelile so and angifuni ukukhuluma into eziningi wena so because mangakhuluma ngawe kuzomosakala ngiyakukhuza nje ukuthi bheka umlomo wakho bra you've played the game but ukhuluma ngathi bodlala angazi bodlala kuphi phansi kwesihlahla angazi kuphi. You don't respect professional players, you guys. That's my problem. You don't respect them. You don't respect professional players, and you were expecting, you were respected when you were playing, or you wanted to be respected. But now, awusadlali manje le ntwana lezi ukuthi sihola imalini sizihola kamnandi siphila kamnandi ukudlula thina sekuyikwali. You bashing them high and low. I won't accept that. I won't accept that. Mina, I'm patriotic mina, ngi South Africa. And ngifuna ukubona njengoba iSouth Africa basinokile singekho, niyothini manje? Niyokhuluma ngani? Niyokhuluma ngeyiphi country manje? Hayi bafethu hayi. It's about time sontshela thina manje nathi. Sidlalile ibhola, ngidlalile iWorld Cup, ngidlalile iAFCON, ngidlalile ama-Olympics. Yes, I might not won everything or played more games or have more caps because of my behavior, and everyone knows that I took responsibility of my behavior. Kube nginama-cap abhaya. Even nange talent anifiki nje kimi nje straight. Benimnandi ngendlela yenu but talent pound for pound nami no. Sekumele manje sithule thina simamelane nani niliwele nibhesha abo coach nibhesha ama player week in week out sithule. No, that's wrong.